Okay, so now I'm going to sign in. You can create your you can continue with your sign up procedure if you are using it for the first time, and then you can sign in. Alright, now it is asking me to open it in apps. So you can download the Windows app as well. So, or you can use the web app instead. So this is your option. You can, if you want to go online, then you can use the web version, or if you want to keep it on your desktop and handy, then you can download the Windows app from here. So let me try this one. I will demonstrate the Windows app in my official account, the institutional ID. So right now I'm giving an overview of the interface that we are going to see in while we are using our general Gmail ID or personal email ID. Alright, I will give you the demonstration of the Windows app using my institutional domain, which has a lot more features than our personal email ID. So this is how you will get idea of both the ways of accessing Microsoft Teams via app and via web. So let's first use the web app. Alright. So here we are, and now it is asking me to select an organization, or since I have selected it for work or for business organization, so it is asking me to select any organization. So you can select anyone or you can create your own. Alright, so let me select Ramanujan College and continue. Now here you can see it's the welcome page, and it is asking you the name that you want to use in Teams. You can either change it or you can set it. So let's say I want to set it as test module, and you can also upload your photograph if you want to. So I'm skipping this part. You can upload your photograph for this section. Moving on. So this is the interface. Okay, before that it is asking, since a team is not a team without its members, so it is giving a link to copy this link and share it with your members or students whom you want to join in your team. So you can just copy this link and share it with your students or your colleagues whom you want to join in your team. Alright. Now it will give you a brief overview of what activities are available where. Alright, so let's get started. So this is the interface, and since it is popping up with new information, since I have signed in with this account for the first time, and when you will sign in for the first time, it will show it like this. This will be the interface. Now you can see the first thing popping up here is join or create a team. Okay, so team is basically, here you can consider it as creating a class. Alright, like as in Google Classroom you were creating a class, here it has been renamed. You can just consider it as a class. Okay, so when you are creating a team, just keep in mind that you are creating a class here. Now since it is we have signed in for the business purposes, that's why it will not give the option for creating class. That option will be available in our educational domain that we have signed up. I'll show you in the next 2-3 videos. Alright, so let's get an overview of this one, then we'll move on to that one. So you can start. So the first thing that you need to do is create your team. So let us first begin with creating the team. So you can click on this button, create team. Now there are two options. Either you can build a team from scratch, or you can build an existing team from your Office 365 group. So if you are signing in from your institutional domain, then you will have all of your colleagues or students will be on the Office 365 group, and you can select them from here directly. Or you can build a team from scratch. So let's say we want to build a team from scratch.